back to my channel. I have made what have I done? I've not been very good with you guys at the minute. I have been so busy with this, doing this. These are new. They were $900. Nice and red. We have the back here. She's nearly becoming the Jurassic Park dream. So I'm going to be adding stripes today. That's what I'm doing, and I thought I'd bring you along because I haven't brought you along most of this time, and I feel real bad. But we added these. It just looks good. It looks so good. And time to add stripes. So it's going to be hard. This is probably going to be fucking out because I don't know what I'm doing, but fuck it. I've done most of it so far, so let's do some energy drink thing. Board, which I need to take out, the stuff. I need to map out where it all goes. I need a pen or an eyeliner or something. A whiteboard or an eyeliner pen or something like that. And I can make this work. I can pre-cut most of the pieces and I think we'll be good. So if I map it to it, or I could just put it on and just cut it while it's on the car, which is way more riskier, but we could give it a try. We could give it a try. Hello dogs. Hello dogs. Now what do I need? Maybe I use a lip liner. Might not be. Some lip liner, some wipes. Might not, oh, me panting. Might not be the safest thing, but fuck it. All about process of elimination. A lot. So this is me recording. I'm gonna fuck up this for it to work. So I'm starting to remove this, so enjoy this.
What I'm doing here is just removing the sticker so I can actually apply the vinyl. So this is in the way of my stripes, and I thought that the front runner, it just looked too busy. So this is just me peeling it off, so enjoy this. Guys, I really tried to do it on my own. I tried to be a big boss girly, but I had to get my boyfriend to help me. Just simply because I just couldn't get it right. You can see here, I've tried many times. I'm trying to get it. I need my little right-hand man to give me some light. I placed majority of these, and he was really good with the scalpel. So what we were doing was placing the vinyl, using the scalpel to poke tiny little holes in it to get the air bubbles out. That's what we're doing here. And then also just kind of fitting it into place. And we also had a heat gun, so we could make it stick on there. Like, we went kind of professional with this. We went kind of professional. There he is with the heat gun. Look at him. He's so freaking cute. Just eat him up. Eat them up. So that bit we did fix. That one does look ugly there, but we did fix it. When we do the whole turnaround of the car, you can see it. I used isopropyl alcohol, I don't know how to pronounce that, to clean the surface beforehand before we place all the vinyl, and everything is wrapped around each door and everything like that. So I know that this is just like a cheap way of doing it. This was only $80 compared to the $1,200 I was quoted. But what do you guys think? It might not last summer, but even if it doesn't, at least I tried, you know, at least I made it work, did what I could for $80 compared to that amount. And if it ends up coming off in the summertime, maybe I'll get it done professionally. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. Chris did such a good job helping me, and I couldn't have done it without him, without having 20 million mental breakdowns. So yeah, it looks so cute.